Welcome back. My name is Liam and this is geniusTV. Today I'll be showing you how to make a homemade delicious crepe. For this recipe, you're gonna need 4 eggs. It doesn't matter the color, it can be white or brown. Whatever's in your fridge is fine. You're gonna need 2 cups of flour, 2.5 cups of milk, and 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You're also gonna need a whisk, a bowl, a large bowl or a small bowl is fine. It doesn't matter what the size is. You're either gonna need a crepe machine or a pan. So I'm gonna compare these 2 heating elements, which is the crepe machine and the pan. First, you're gonna have to take your bowl and you're gonna have to have a small bowl. So first you're gonna have to crack your eggs. You can use a white or a brown egg, as I said in the introduction. I'm gonna pick ones with no black dots because it's less risk of getting a rotten one. So I'm gonna crack the egg in the small bowl. And now I'm gonna throw them in the trash can. I cracked my egg in this tiny bowl here, and now I'm gonna pour it in this big bowl. This is my first egg, so now I'm gonna crack my second egg in a tiny bowl to make sure that it's a good egg. It's good. And now I pour it into the big bowl. So there's our eggs. After you cracked your eggs in the big bowl, you have to take your whisk and whisk them together until the eggs are fully whisked together. So that looks good. I want to get them all mixed in, like this. That looks good. There's still a few spots left, so I'm gonna keep whisking, get them all mixed. Almost done. Okay, so they're all whisked together. Now I'm gonna have to do the flour. I'm gonna take 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of flour, 1 cup, 2 cups. And then I'm gonna close my flour. Now I'm gonna do my milk. I'm gonna have to do 2.5 cups. So that's 1. That's 2. Now, oh yes, and now I have to do a half. It's good. Now, here's my milk, and then I'll whisk it together. should look a little bit like this. Close, like that. Now, I have to do my oil. 4 tablespoons of oil. It's 1. It's 2. 3. 4. So there is our 4 tablespoons of oil. Now I gotta whisk that together until those are dissolved. Like this. It should be nice and thick, like a paste, kind of, a wet paste. After you're done whisking, I recommend covering the bowl in plastic wrap. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna cut my plastic wrap, and then I'm gonna cover that. I'm gonna do one more piece right over it. Do the other side. Like this. One last piece. And then it goes there. Okay, so now put it in the fridge. And then you wait for 1 hour.
1 hour later.
Okay, here's our batter. It's been sitting for 1 hour. Looks good. Now, I'm going to oil my pan with vegetable oil. I recommend setting your machine to setting 3. It's like medium heat for crepes. Now I'm gonna take my little punch scooper, or whatever you can call it. It's kind of like a little big size, oversized spoon. Good. It's not like a perfect circle. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle, but that looks good. Now I'm going to wait for it to, it's already cooking. I'm gonna get my little cake icer. It works good for flipping them. It should be in like a nice brown color on the top. This is my favorite way of making a crepe. should be a nice like brown color like this. Maybe in the middle. Now, that looks perfect. So, on the plate. And there's your crepe. That's how you do the crepe in your, this is the crepe from your crepe machine. Now I'm going to show you how to do your crepes with a pan. First, I'm going to start up the pan to at least medium heat, like in the middle of high and medium, or maybe just medium. Now I'm going to put the oil in here. The oil is in the pan. While it's heating up, I'm going to put just a little bit more oil in here. And these edges. Make sure you get the whole pan with all the oil in it, or anything. If you don't put oil in there, and you don't have like a non-sticky pan, your crepes will stick to the pan immediately. So make sure you put oil on your pan. I think it's about heated up now. Okay, now here comes in the batter. I'm going to take the pan, I'm going to go like this. Looks good. I'm going to turn the heat up just a little bit more. Just start heating up. I'm going to use the same thing as what I used with the machine. I'm not going to use the one with the tea because it's only made for the crepe machine, not the pan. It's not cooked yet. When it's cooked, it would start kind of coming off of the pan. It's harder to do it in the pan than the actual crepe machine itself because, well, the crepe machine is made to do crepes and the pan is just made to do like anything. Now it should be cooked. Flip it. Edges are like this, you just pull it and then push it back. Perfect. Now, that should be good. Now it's time to prepare the crepe. You have many options for fillings. You can do dulce de leche or caramel. You can do Nutella. You can do fruits and vegetables. You can even do confectioner's sugar or just regular sugar. And that's how you have many options to pick from. In this case, my brother requested Nutella as his filling. So I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna try to open this. There you go. So gonna spread the Nutella on the crepe. As I said, you can do any filling you would like. Like this. When you're done spreading the Nutella, you have to fold your crepe. So first you fold this edge up, and then you just keep doing that until finished. At the end, I'm just gonna put just a little bit, a line of Nutella, so that sticks. Okay, so now I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of chocolate on here. And I'm gonna put this in here. And there you go. There is your crepe from the crepe machine. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and please click the like button, and I'll see you in the next video when I have new ideas.